Yeah, this is the voice of moods that me I said. Just leave a comment, let me know what you think about this, and I'll be following this until this case is closed. So stay tuned to that, me I say. Big up. Good day, people. An update on the Vybz Kartel and co-accused appeal trial. July 18, 2018. Now, attorney Varonita Robertson shed some light on some new information in the appeal trial. Just listen to what she had to say. Very interesting. Let me hear your comments at the end of the video. What do you think about this new information?
Speaking on the record to attorney for the appellant Adidja Palmer, hosting Vybz Kartel, you addressed the court today, ma'am. Something that stuck out to us is the argument that on the prosecution's evidence that the appellant, then accused man Adidja Palmer, was not at the alleged crime scene. Elaborate on the point you made in court first.
Okay, with respect to his lordship, Mr. Justice Panton's letter, it was in the newspaper today, I will be very circumspect in my answer. Of course, the media is in court, so you have all the notes. Basically, the hospital records and the evidence of the police concerning where Mr. Palmer was at a particular time, in particular 7:58, would have shown that he was at the hospital from 7:48, so he could not have been at the house at Hivley at 7:58.
Sorry,
there's a contradiction.
I think the police cell site said 7:52.
7:52.
Sorry, so you want to go over? She can start over the response.
Okay,
sorry.
Basically, the police records say that Mr. Palmer was at the house at 7:58, but the
hospital for 7:52, not 7:58. Based on the transcript you showed us,
it says 7:52.
Right.
See, my head is full of so much stuff.
Right.
Yes, the evidence of the police officer is that the cell site demonstrated that Mr. Palmer was at Havendale at 7:52, but the hospital records show that he was at Andrews Memorial Hospital at 7:48, so he could not be, the time span is too narrow for him to have been literally in these two places at one time. So we used it to show the discrepancy in the evidence. And then remember, Mr. Chow said that he was at the house, at the hospital at 9 o'clock, which clearly, so there's some discrepancy there. So we are using the argument to erode the credibility of the witness and of the Crown's case, the veracity of the Crown's case.
Out of the raft of arguments you have put to the court, that specific argument regarding the time and the placement of Mr. Palmer, how significant is it towards trying to achieve in the appeal process?
Well, we are trying to erode the veracity of the Crown's prosecution's case. So all these time instances go to challenge the credibility of the witnesses and, of course, what the Crown says the case is.
What is the main argument why you are arguing that no retrial, the appeal should just be quashed?
Oh, we are saying that it's so bad. It's so bad that you ought not to give the prosecution an opportunity to fix those things that have gone bad already.
Okay, I note an article in the newspaper today by the erstwhile president of the Court of Appeal suggesting that there are lawyers who are speaking to the media regarding matters which are sub judice and some concern regarding that. What do you make of that? Do you feel gagged by the former president?
Respectfully, I have the greatest of respect for Mr. Justice Panton. He's really one of my favorite judges. The media has the information. You sit in the court every day and you take your notes and you go and publish your articles. So anything that I'm saying is what you already know. And I do believe that we are in different times. And I respect his lordship, but it's very difficult to get agreed.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
And you don't share the point that you should not be commenting while the matter is being.
If it were a jury trial, I would understand, because the lay person will be easily influenced. But this is a bench of judges who are not going to listen to anything that we say. They have listened to our arguments, and it's the same arguments I'm producing to you. Nothing different, nothing added. And I'm not giving a view of what I think they should find. I have put my position before them, and if they agree with me, then they will rule in my favor. So in these circumstances, I really don't see where any influence or any breach of professional ethics would occur.
And this is not an attempt to promote yourself?
Oh my goodness, I don't think I need any promotion.
Thank you.
I got mercy, I got mercy.